welcome back to my channel. This is Shrishti here, and if you are new here, it would be great if you go and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. So we are here at a nursery, and we are here because it's my dad's birthday and we thought of gifting him a plant. So we thought of gifting him a rose plant because he loves roses, and we also might go to buy one more plant to put in our balcony. So let's see what we have to buy and I'll show you guys. Why am I twinning with the nursery, but I just had a t-shirt with all these flowers and petals, so yeah, that's how it is. And yeah, we're here, we're gonna buy something. Let's see what we have. तो ये वाला और इस प्लांट का नाम क्या है?
इसका एक्सोरा बोलते हैं, मिनी एक्सोरा।
ओह,
छोटा हाइट में ज़्यादा फूल आता है और कम मेंटेनेंस में।
और वो रोज
ये काश्मीरी गुलाब काटा नहीं रहेगा, प्लांट भी ज़्यादा हाइट नहीं जाता है, ज़्यादा फूल आता ही रहता है।